Have you ever wondered why seagulls seem to be everywhere, yet their nests are nowhere to be found? Seagulls, those iconic feathered denizens of the seaside, are a ubiquitous presence in many parts of the world. From the chilly climes of the North Atlantic to the sun-drenched coasts of Australia, these birds are as versatile as they are widespread. But there's more to these birds than meets the eye. Have you ever asked yourself why, despite their global presence, seagull nests are an elusive sight? The answer lies not in their flight patterns or their feeding habits, but in a deeper understanding of their life cycle. These fascinating creatures lead complex lives marked by unique stages of development that set them apart from other bird species. From birth to maturity, each phase of a seagull's life is a testament to nature's ingenuity and adaptability. To understand the secret life of seagulls, we must delve into their intriguing life cycle. The journey of a seagull starts in a well-hidden nest, usually on cliffs or tall buildings, far from the prying eyes of predators and humans. These nests, fashioned out of seaweed, grass and feathers, cradle the treasured eggs, each one a beacon of life waiting to burst forth. For about 25 days, the parents, both mother and father, take turns incubating these orbs of life, keeping them warm and safe, their constant vigil a testament to their unwavering dedication. Once the chicks crack open their shells and step into the world, their journey truly begins. They are small, fluffy and vulnerable, completely dependent on their parents for survival. The adult seagulls tirelessly bring back food, nurturing their young with the bounty of the sea. It's a relentless cycle of feeding, resting and growing. After a few weeks of feeding and growing, the fledglings are ready to leave the nest and venture out into the world. The transition from a fledgling to a mature seagull is a journey filled with adventure and danger. In the harsh reality of the wild, every day is a test of survival for these young seagulls. Predators lurk in every corner, ever watchful for an opportunity to strike. Foxes, larger birds and even other seagulls pose a constant threat. The elements, too, are a formidable adversary. Stormy seas and blustery winds can prove just as deadly for a young seagull trying to find its wings. Learning to fly is a process fraught with danger, but it's a necessary step towards independence. The young seagulls practice tirelessly, flapping their wings against the wind, building strength and endurance. The first flight is always a thrilling moment, a testament to their resilience and determination. Finding food is another crucial skill they must master. They learn to scavenge, to hunt, to snatch food from the surface of the water with a precision that's nothing short of remarkable. Through trial and error, they learn to differentiate between what's edible and what's not, between what's safe and what's perilous. As they navigate these challenges, they slowly but surely transition into adulthood. Their fluffy grey feathers give way to the sleek white and grey plumage of a mature seagull. They've learned to fend for themselves, to survive, to thrive in the face of adversity. Once they survive these trials and tribulations, the seagulls are ready to start the cycle anew. The mature seagulls, now ready to reproduce, return to their birthplaces to build nests and lay eggs. It's a journey driven by instinct, an unbreakable bond with their place of origin. For these birds, homecoming is not just a trip down memory lane, it's an essential part of their survival story. Now let's delve into the courtship rituals. Seagulls are monogamous creatures. They engage in elaborate courtship displays which include head-tossing, preening and calling. It's a dance of love, a spectacle of nature where males and females form a bond that often lasts for life. Once they've paired up, it's time for nest building. Using materials like grass, twigs and feathers, seagulls construct their nests in colonies, often in the same location year after year. It's a community effort, a testament to their social nature. When it comes to parenting, both parents share the responsibility. They take turns incubating the eggs, ensuring they are kept warm and protected. Once the chicks hatch, they are cared for diligently by both parents. They are fed, taught to fly, and prepared for the challenges of the vast ocean and sky that await them. In this way, the cycle begins anew. The chicks grow, mature, and eventually they too will return to their birthplace, ready to dance the dance of courtship, build their nests and raise their young. And so the cycle of life continues for these fascinating creatures as each new generation takes flight. The life cycle of a seagull is a fascinating journey of growth, survival, and renewal. From the hatching of a small egg in a carefully concealed nest, to the fledgling learning to fly, to the mature seagull navigating the vast oceans, each stage is a testament to nature's intricate design. The cycle continues as mature seagulls lay their eggs, ensuring the survival of their species. Next time you see a seagull, remember the incredible journey it has embarked on, from a tiny egg in a hidden nest to a master of the skies.